Mark, I'll get your reaction to the numbers. First of all, as we've been discussing, all very largely very positive. If you're looking for an issue, US, Canada, essentially no net adds there in the quarter.
I think that's right. Also, expectations were obviously super high going into the print, especially given all of the data points around Squid Game. So these numbers are good enough to cause the stock to go up modestly. We think there'll be follow through. And I think if I want to put this in context, it's this. This will be the fourth year in a row in which Netflix will have added somewhere between 8 and 9 million subscribers in the December quarter. That's pretty impressive for a company that's now north of 200 million. What it tells you is that the growth rate, kind of the secular growth, execution growth behind Netflix is very consistent pre-COVID, during COVID, post-COVID. And investors like consistent growth businesses, especially premium consistent growth businesses. It's one of the reasons we're bullish on the stock.
Unsurprisingly, Ed Lee, they're talking up Squid Game and the kind of extraordinary numbers. Their #1 program in 94 countries, 142 million member households globally have chosen to watch it in its first 4 weeks. And that's allowed them to come up with a valuation for it of nearly $1 billion. What do you make of all of that?
It's interesting because, you know, that Wall Street is already looking for a pretty high forecast for the fourth quarter, and they just meet it. And it's Squid Game. It seems sort of kind of saved the day a little bit. You know, I think Netflix's share of sort of the global streaming sort of universe has actually been shrinking a little bit, thanks to newcomers like Disney Plus. Hulu is still running very strong. Apple TV Plus is actually surprisingly strong with some of its series like Ted Lasso. So, you know, it's become a much more crowded field. They have to do that much more to stand out. Squid Game saved the day for them. I do think it's a pretty impressive forecast for the fourth quarter. You know, and yeah, these are all good reasons to be bullish. At the same time, I'm more curious about what this means for Disney. You know, when they announce their earnings. As Netflix rises, I anticipate Disney to rise at an even fractionally higher multiple or higher level based on just how much more important streaming has become to like everyday consumers.